Muzeo Museum and Cultural Center present the art exhibition by the famous artist and poet Irfan Murtaza. Please join us to celebrate the inaugural ceremony on June 17, 2023. Between 4 p.m. and 6 p.m. at the Muzeo Museum. The subjects for Irfan Murtaza's paintings typically revolve around nature, history, landscapes, and human suffering. All of Irfan's paintings are acrylic-based. When it comes to painting, Irfan is a true realist. He likes to create paintings that require detailed work. Since Irfan was born in Pakistan, his poetry and paintings contain subjects related to Pakistan, as well as the history of other countries. This art exhibition starts on June 17, 2023, and will last until September 3, 2023. The exhibition is open to the public. Please visit www.irfanmurtaza.com or www.muzeo.org. We look forward to seeing you at the inaugural ceremony. This is a free event, but you must register yourself in advance.